Welcome back. This is another video showing you how to install RChain RNode from a Debian package. Alright, let's see if we have a Debian system. We do. That is good. Now, in order to install RNode, we need to download the deb from the GitHub repo of RChain. Let's go there. Let's find the right repo, go to the releases page, and we see that the current version is version 06.4, and this is where the Debian package is. Let's download that one. And this is going quite fast, hopefully. Okay, and now we have the package. All there is to do is do an apt install RNode. The package knows about its dependencies, most notably OpenJDK 8 and libsodium. That is correct, so we're going to install it. OpenJDK is the first big thing to install. RNode is quite small. And that is all of the installation. Now, notably, we added a new user and a new group, and added that user to that group. And also, RNode installs a systemd service, which is good to know. So let's look at that one. Important thing about this is it is enabled by default, which means if you reboot your host, RNode will come up automatically. If you're starting RNode from the command line, or if you're trying to start RNode from the command line, you might get an error that the port already is taken, which usually points to this being the fact that the systemd process already started. Okay, let's start up RNode service. And let's look at the status again. Now we are active and running. We're still enabled. Let's go to the working directory of RNode, which is varlib RNode. And look what's happening here. We see that RNode created its own node certificate and the corresponding private key. It also added directories for Casper Block Store and RSpace. And RNode is very nice to us and writes down to a log file. Let's look at that log file. And here we see again that the working directory is RNode. If a configuration file is not found, we're starting with the default profile. We're guessing the host's IP. We're generating the private keys. And we're connecting to a bootstrap node, which is compiled into the RNode package currently, and we're connecting to that bootstrap node on port 40,400, and this port 40,400 keeps coming up again and again whenever we're trying to connect to other nodes. So this is the main communication port. Let's check that we installed it as well. We have something listening there as well, and we do. 40,400. Another interesting one is 40,403. That is the metrics port. Let's see if we are connected to any peers. we are connected to 5 peers in the current Bootstrap network. So that's all there is to it. I'm going to disable RNode now, and I'm going to stop it. I'm going to confirm that RNode really is stopped. It is shutting down and saying goodbye. Let's check if all the pods are closed again. There's nothing in the 4000s range. So that's all there is to it. Let us know how things are going, and see you next time.